Body language is around 75% of communication between two people. زمانی جسته لدوری لسو هفته و پنج تگیشتنه لنیوان دو کسته. That means you need to know the body language of a culture if you really want to understand its language. با تگیشنی زمانک فێربوونی زمانی جسته او کولتوریش پێویستە. Today I will teach you what it means when Americans do this action, which is called air quotes. Ba dest pê bikەین, let's get started. You may see Americans in films doing this when they are speaking. But what does this mean? With their fingers, these Americans are making quotation marks. These are the marks used in English writing to show that someone is speaking. Hemayanin bakad henvrau lanusini Inglisi ledaurik se kasek. For example, Bob said, "Hello, friend." But when Americans do this when they are speaking, it has a different meaning. Air quotes are used when we want to use a word in a funny way or in a way that gives it a new meaning. Air quote bakarehenin کاتێک مانەوێت وشایەک بەکاربێنین بە شێوەیەکی گاڵتە یان بە شێوەیەک کە مانایەکی نوێ هەیە. We also use air quotes when we disagree with the specific words that someone has used. هەروەها air quote بەکارەهێنین کاتێک فرازی نین لەگەڵ ئەو وشە تایبەتانەی کەسێکی تر بەکارهێناوە. For example, let's say that two friends have a special name for something, a name that only they use. Maybe they like to go pig hunting in kardە, but they don't want other people to know that they are doing this. So instead, they say they're going fishing. Awan achin bo rawkردنی baraz, بەڵام نایانەوێت کە خەڵک ئەوە بزانن. اینجا لە جیاتی ڕاوکردنی بەراز ئەڵێن ماسی گرتن. When they talk to each other in English, they might say this: "Hey, this Friday, do you want to go fishing?" They use air quotes to show each other that there is a different meaning to those words than the direct one. Maybe their wives find out that they are hunting pigs and not going fishing, and they want their husbands to know that they understand their joke. So their wives might also use air quotes when they ask them about it. "My love, are you going fishing this Friday with your friend?" Here, air quotes are used to give a different meaning to a word than it normally has. How about an example for when someone disagrees with the specific way someone else has used a word? Maybe a young man wants to marry a young woman. He goes to her father and says, "There is a beautiful rose in your garden." But badakhwa, the girl's father does not agree to let them marry because the young man does not have a government job. The young man might explain this situation to his friends by saying, "Her father said that my job is not respectable enough." Here, he is using air quotes to show that he disagrees with how the father used that word, respectable. He disagrees because he thinks that his job is respectable, even if it is not a government job. Takabra. Hiwadaram ama runbu bet boto. Agina, pembole labashi comment l'chwarwa. And takabra. If you are learning new information from these videos, then don't just watch them, but please click that little subscribe button. Dastakhanet khoshbet. Now you know what it means when Americans use air quotes. Until tomorrow, hatasabene, khwahafiz.